This is where the big differentiating factor sits between vector search as a feature and being AI native. And let me explain this. Let's bring this all together. Just let me give you a use case example, right? Where you can easily distinguish. So let's say that you have a use case where you have support tickets that are coming in, right? Use case number one, where we see vector search as a feature, is that we might say we're going to create an embedding for this ticket, right? For this support ticket. And we're going to try to predict what label should be attached to this ticket, or what support engineer we want to assign to this ticket, because based on in vector space, we can see what similar tickets were handled by certain people, right? That is vector search as a feature, which is great. That's a lot of value. Sounds great. And the example is, if I would take that out of my support ticket system, the support ticket system would still work, right? It would just not have labels, right? But it would still work. Now you can make a distinction. Do I want to use like an existing database or a pure play vector database player? And then it's very simple. Depends on like scale, operations, that kind of stuff, right? So if you go like, I'm using database X, works well. I'm just going to add this as a feature. Great. You say, well, a bigger use case, I might want to do pure play. Fine. But it's all vector search as a feature. Now, let's take the same use case. So same situation. So we have a support ticket system, and now we do something else. We do create a vector embedding for what's stored in it. We store that in database like Weaviate. But now, because we have a generative feedback loop with a generative model, we instruct the model, use the database to find the answer to this question and provide it yourself to the person who created this support ticket. So no labeling, no nothing, no, just answer it. That's an AI native use case. And there we need to have integrated RAG, so we really need to have the database and the models woven together.